Welcome to QuickRows, a revolutionary add-in that works with Excel. Now, even the most basic Excel users will be able to complete complex tasks, including advanced pivot tables, data cleansing, and advanced analysis with just a few clicks, without using formulas. Look at this long list of invoices. With a couple of clicks we will select all the invoices that have Nick as a vendor, and create a new table with them. Whenever you are using QuickRows, you need to first bring up the pop-up menu invoking Control Q. There is no need to sort data anymore, just click the name to get all Nick's invoices. With QuickRows you can achieve complex combinations. For example, you can now select all the invoices from the customer Vitro and the vendor Nick by using semicolons between the two parameters. You can also create new listings next to the previous ones, without overwriting them. Now let me show you how easy it is to create pivot tables, a task that only advanced or intermediate users of Excel can accomplish. Let's create a pivot table for this set of data that we wish to analyze. This time we will use function number 2 in the QuickRows pop menu. In this example, we will use column C, which is customer list, and totalize column with the invoices amount. Simply hit go and instantly you have a pivot table, including a slicer to analyze it. Let's expand the example and create a new table for vendors, which is column D. It is important to notice that both slicers control all the present and future pivot tables in the same worksheet, so you can do advanced data analysis easily. You can create as many pivot tables as you wish, and you can make them as complex as required. The slicing ability of QuickRows allows you to quickly modify all your pivot tables, so you can only see and analyze what you wish. Now let me introduce you to standardizing and cleansing data. We all have been in situations where we export raw data from one system into Excel. It is too frequent that the data is imported not exactly in a user-friendly format. This example shows such a case. We imported email addresses and web pages from the internet. The way the information has been received is that Excel put it all in one cell for each record. Let me show how easy it is to extract this data and make it user-friendly. This time, we will use item 3, text normalizing. In the first parameter we simply insert the string to identify the emails. Then we add an optional header for the new column. After pressing go, we get a new column containing all the emails. Now for the second step, which is extracting the web pages, we will use an amazing function called string subtraction from the column operations menu. We will remove the text included in column B from the original text in column A, and put the result in a new column. Finally, using again the text normalizing function, we will extract the string fragments containing dots to eliminate the useless labels. That's it. Let's take a look to linking sheets function. You can enrich the content of your listings by importing data from another sheets or tables. For example, we will add the city and term columns content from this table into an invoices table using the customer ID as linking key. The invoices table includes a column D with the corresponding customer IDs, so we can link both tables. Next step is selecting the table to be linked and the linking column. And finally, the columns to be imported are selected, in this case the city and the term. That's it. The columns have been aggregated to the invoices table. Data consolidation is a complex task in Excel, due to frequent inconsistency in column structure, missing columns, or misalignments. You just have to select the folder containing the files with the tables to be consolidated, and then click the desired tables, taking note of the total rows or lines to be imported. A new sheet is created in seconds, including a summary of consolidated tables. 2 columns are added to trace back the source of each line. Each table's rows were added after the previous ones, with the common columns properly aligned. Non-matching columns are added to the right, so all your data is guaranteed to be incorporated without messing columns during the consolidation process. Smart formatting is a handy tool to mark and locate data inside a listing, even if it is embedded as part of a cell string. Insert the text, value or range to be marked, set the formatting parameters and press go. This is great for presentations and when analyzing data, to visualize trends and data concentrations. It is also great to locate text embedded in cells in massive data listings. There are several formatting options, including cell background, font size, bolding and underlining, as well as some font colors to choose from. You can mix them easily. To search for values inside ranges, just insert the range with the appropriate sign, either greater than, lower than, etc., and the formatting attributes. Of course, you can remove the applied formats easily. Now I want to show you a cool function. It is the most powerful tool inside QuickRows, and it is called the Quick Table Analyzer. With one click, you convert any listing into a powerful table, ready to analyze its content, featuring totalization headers and slicers to perform advanced selection and combination of values. Observe how easily you dig into your databases to extract useful information, without formulas, ribbons, or any other tool. With QuickRows, you can do advanced data mining in seconds, literally. And finally, a simple tool to get one-click results from any listing. When you double-click a table header, you sort it by the selected column, but additionally, you get useful data. You can sort any column, either numeric or not. To invert the sort order, just double-click the cell again. In brief, QuickRows will save you lots of hours and increase dramatically your productivity inside Excel.